A very warm welcome to you. It's fantastic to have you join us again on Almond Finance and Wealth Reports this week. As you know, we are source for latest happening information in the financial sector of the nation's economy. Many thanks also to our partner on this program, Standard Alliance Life Assurance Limited, for their continued support. My name is Faith Wade. On our lineup this week, for those of you who were part of the program last week, you would recall that we brought you the first part of the exclusive interview I had with Mr. Bolaji Oladipo, Executive Director of Standard Alliance Life Assurance Limited, where he talked to us about the operations of the company. On this edition of the program, we'll bring you a continuation of that exclusive interview. Plus, no matter how well you plan your trip abroad, some things might happen that are just way out of your control. In such cases, that's where travel insurance comes handy. During the week, Standard Alliance Life launched a brand new travel insurance product called Value Plus Travel at the company's corporate headquarters on Ajose Adiogu Street, Victoria Island, Lagos. During the media presentation of the product, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Standard Alliance Life Assurance, Mr. Austin Enajimo-Isire, said that Value Plus Travel will guarantee their customers a stress-free trip abroad. Plus, our regulars on the program are Voice Pop segments, Waiting Insurance, the DUSEF, and Insurance Talk Celebrities Edition. These and many more are what we have for you on our lineup this week, so I urge you, as always, to sit back, relax, and enjoy it. But all the details are coming to you after the break. Please stay with us.
On Almond Finance and Wealth Report, we ask the right people the right questions.
No Nigerian trusts the other, and they don't believe, the average Nigerian doesn't believe that the insurance company will pay the claim. They believe that the insurance company will not pay the claim. So when you pay the claim, they are quite pleasantly surprised.
A system that ensures that your naira will depreciate, that excess liquidity will prevail when you earn increasing dollars. It should be reversed.
The whole idea of insurance, is, as far as I'm concerned, is to spread the risk. That is the actual cost.
We highlight the right events. And the right music. Join your host, Faith Ugwode, every week on this station. Almond Finance and Wealth Report, the right platform.
All right, moving on, we'll bring you a continuation of the exclusive interview I had with Mr. Bolaji Oladipo, who was recently promoted to Executive Director in Standard Alliance Life. He will be telling us more about the operations of the company. I still want to stay with the IT platform.
All right.
Now, if I sit down today, or the way business is progressing, is the fact that you can stay in the comfort of your home, do your banking business, buy your insurance policy without necessarily going out of your house. So is that possible?
Oh, very possible. Just go to our website, www.sliveng.com. You can purchase insurance online. You can pay online for our product too. You know, just go to that website and everything. You can conclude your insurance at the convenience of your without having come to rest in life.
That's some good news. Okay, SA is planning to launch its travel insurance.
Yeah.
What makes it different from the ones that we already have in the market?
Yeah. You know, generally insurance, when a new ideas or product comes in, there's this bad wagon effect. Everybody will try to move in and rush it. Not just insurance, everything in Nigeria. So we try to take our time. People have actually been doing it over time. We try to take our time. We try to look at how to do it uniquely different from others. So we come up with, what we have in the market today is that all insurance companies that are doing it, they are doing it as commission agents. So they are not fully underwriting it. They are representing foreign partners out there. So we looked at it and said, hey, what can we do differently here? So we approached Nikon. Nikon gave us approval to actually underwrite that product as Standard Alliance Life. So we can underwrite it as a company. That's the uniqueness we are bringing to it. If you underwrite it, that means you can actually pay claim. And in paying claim, we can pay claim from here. We also partner with, instead of being a commission agent to a foreign partner, a foreign partner is now a commission agent to Standard Alliance Life. You understand? So we have commissioned GlobeMed in line with this. We partner with them to to underwrite these products here in Nigeria, and we are launching it very soon. I think in the next 1 week or 2 weeks, we will be seeing the product everywhere. His name is also unique. We call it Value Plus travel insurance policy. It's to add value to that your travel plan whenever you want to make it, and that is the hallmark package of that our travel insurance. So in addition to that, like I said, we also partner with GlobeMed, Ariel International. We also partner with them. You can report your claim out there while we do your local settlement in line with our foreign partners out there. So that's the uniqueness Standard Alliance Life is actually bringing to
that aspect a little bit. Okay. Well, if I get the Value Plus and I travel to, let's say, Europe, for example, and I need to claim, or something happened, I need to claim. I'm here in Nigeria, the policy was purchased here. So how does it work?
Like I said, we have the partner area. There's a hotline in your. Once you take the form, you print it online, or if you come to our office, they can print it out for you. You can do it at the convenience of your, of your office or your house, as the case may be. Once there's an hotline which you call area office there. Once you call them, they contact us. Okay. Here in Nigeria, we have a collaboration between the two companies. So we agree, they will take it off from there, while we also do the local settlement with them here. That one is our own local arrangement that we have in place.
Okay, moving on, sir. The bedrock of life companies globally are the strength of their agents. So a lot of people have said that life insurance is not the way it used to be in the 80s, where that was where much of the premium was generated. Today, it's more like, if you look at an insurance company, you find them generating more premium from the general business rather than the life business. But I just want to ask you, how is the agency system in Standard Alliance Life?
Thank you very much for that question. The agency system in Standard Alliance is one of the, permit me to blow our ego, is one of the best in the insurance industry. And I'll tell you why. In terms of the number and structure we have in place, we are scattered all over Nigeria. We are represented in all the geographical zones in this country. And our agency network force is in the staff that are on the commission basis and trying to spread the gospel of insurance. Is in excess of over 2,500 marketers we have. At the same time, selling our product, and it's not far-fetched. You can
selling just life products.
Just selling just life products. We are trying to add some other, but for now they sell just life insurance product. And area, that's the umbrella body for the agency. In the last 2-3 years, Standard Alliance consistently has been winning the highest number of agents that we have in Nigeria. We try to add more to it, you understand, because agency network has its own uniqueness in its operation. Uniqueness is in the sense that it's commission. An average Nigerian will tell them that, look, I want to employ you, but I'm not going to pay you salary. They run away. Nobody is ready to work for commission basis, or you pay me stipends or allowance at the end of the day. For us to have able to maintain and constantly maintain that number of workers, it means that we're able to carry them along, see reason why they have to be part of this process. And I want to, even the federal government, instead of all this Shopee thing that they are doing, they can add insurance to it. It's a way of actually, these entrepreneurial skills, it's a way of actually telling people that you can actually be on your own. And it's actually a way of actually doing your business your own way. And the opportunities are there in the insurance industry, I tell you. We have over 150 or 160 million Nigerians. And how many of them are actually having insurance policy? I tell you, it's less than 10 or 20% of us.
What would you say is responsible for that?
Awareness, the education of the spread is actually not there, is a factor, is a big factor in terms of the people who actually don't believe in insurance. They do it as the last item on their scale of preference, and because, like I said, it's because of the poverty. No, I won't say because of poverty, because Indian I won't say, maybe they are in terms of GDP, they're higher than us, but I won't say in terms of poverty. But I think it's in terms of awareness and actually how to actually create more values, to the customers. That is what is actually missing in this part of the world. People, it's not a product. People want to buy insurance and tell you that, look, if I buy insurance, how much are you paying me at the end of the year? Insurance, really, some work like that, some doesn't work like that. And because our economy is a cash and carry economy, so everybody wants to reap the benefit now. In fact, what we are used to when we are coming up in the insurance industry is that we are used to these long-term insurance policies. But now, what do we have? We have 5 years, 2 years, 3 years insurance policies. For me, that is not insurance. Insurance is a long-term product. That's why we are not able to contribute much to the gross domestic product of the economy, because we are not actually conserving those funds for investment.
Okay, Mr. I'm going to cut you short there because I was talking with someone a while back, and he said that in those days, in the early 90s, they had problems with inflation, and that affected a lot of people that actually had life insurance savings, because at the time your policy is matured and you're getting the money is nothing. So I think wouldn't you say that it's part of why people want it now? I don't want to wait for 10 years.
It's part of the education, it's part of the process. Awareness, educating the client on this actual benefit. If you take up a 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira policy now, not factoring inflation to it, in 10 years' time, how much are you going to get if you take up a 5,000 naira policy? So you have to project your income and say, look, in 10 years or 20 years' time, this is how much I think I can be comfortable with. And you start the process now. But if you look at your income now and you want to take insurance to cover that futuristic income, you're going to have problems. You're going to run into problems. And that is what it actually happened. That's what they told you. That was actually a big challenge to some of them, because the insurance they took that time was too small. And we have this issue of marketers also collecting premium and disappearing, the image of the insurance industry, the image of the insurance marketers and the rest, which we are also trying to battle here in Standard Life. As in, everything your insurance agent sells on our behalf, the company takes responsibility for it. So we know how to go after our agents.
I really don't see anything about the insurance in Nigeria. It's not quite how it should be. People drive so recklessly, and I don't really think that they take any notice of how insurance works. If you hit somebody's car, you go and settle with him, whether or not you're insured. That's not how it works. And you don't really have anything to legalize insurance, the insurance industry. So I don't know, insurance has a long way to go. To me at this moment, it just seems like the insurers are there for all they can grab, and the insured are there for all they can get away with. So life insurance is something that really we should take on board, because that one, without adequate pension plans around, life insurance is one thing that could perhaps fill that hole. So all in all, it's a long way for insurance industry in the country.
All right, moving on, we'll bring you highlights of the media presentation of the brand new travel insurance product of Standard Alliance Life called Value Plus Travel, which was presented at the company's corporate headquarters during the week in Victoria Island, Lagos. There are many things to consider when planning a trip or vacation. Where to go, what to pack, and what to do once you get there. No matter how well you plan, however, there are some things that are just out of your control. That's where travel insurance come in handy by compensating you for unforeseen emergencies while traveling. In fact, for frequent travelers to countries that require Schengen visas, they often demand for a valid travel insurance to support visas application. Standard Alliance Life Assurance Company Limited a member of the Standard Alliance Group and the leader in the insurance market, recently launched a brand new travel insurance policy called Value Plus Travel. The product is an outcome of the painstaking market survey by the research and development team of the company, which reported the growing demand for the cover by the travel insurance consuming public. Standard Alliance Life, as a responsive company which constantly believes in meeting the needs of the people, came out with this unique product. Presenting the product to the public at the media launch at the company's corporate head office on Ajose Ajogu, Victoria Island, Lagos, the managing director, SL Life, Mr. Austin Enajimoisire, said the Value Plus travel policy is available for all trips that will be made to Europe, the Middle East, Asia, Africa, and all other Schengen countries.
Value Plus travel policy is available for all trips that will be made to Europe, the Middle East, the Asia countries, all African countries, as well as all Schengen countries. It will also be available for all travelers that will be made worldwide in the shortest foreseeable time. So what we're saying here is that as we are launching this product today, those countries that are specifically mentioned will begin to enjoy this cover by any traveler to those countries. Then we are saying that it will not be too long that this cover will be made worldwide. I think that is a very nice one. Value Plus Travel will be available for all holders of this policy within a period not exceeding 90 days of embarking on such foreign trip. And of course, you have listened to some of the robust benefits. More of it will be unfolded as we progress in this presentation. Permit me therefore to re-emphasize that this product is one of the locally designed type and well tailored to the needs of our people. The claims administration is less cumbersome and it is directly handled in a simple manner with our reinsurance arrangements. To keep pace with the passion for excellent service delivery, we are partnering with travel management companies, all the travel and tours companies we have in this country. And of course, by extension, the embassies have already gotten the signal and are already clamoring and yearning, when will you come out? The time is now. Therefore, there is also an arrangement for us to reach out to our numerous clients through our website. And our clients are also there to get in touch with us. Without not going through the gamut of the travel and tours and all other companies, but they can reach out at our website, which is www.standardalliancetravel.com. Very clear, at the touch of the dial. Your payment arrangements, your processing and procurement will be done online to you.
There are several questions you must answer when trying to buy travel insurance. Will you be traveling overseas? Can you afford the cost of the trip back home if an emergency arises and you need to get home? If you or someone who is traveling with you gets sick, will you be able to afford medical care? These are all potential problems that can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. Standard Alliance Life Value Plus policy have the following benefits: medical emergency and hospitalization expenses, repatriation cost, repatriation expenses in case the unexpected happens, in case of accident, permanent disability, cost of recovery, loss of passports and luggages, as well as medical cover up to the tune of 30,000 euros. Standard Alliance Life has a paid-up capital of 2.7 billion and an asset base of over 4.5 billion. With a team of dedicated professionals, the company's operation is backed up by adequate reinsurance treaty. Presenting the product, Mr. Isire said that Value Plus travel insurance policy will guarantee a stress-free trip for overseas travelers.
Value Plus travel insurance policy. If you must embark on any trip at all, learn to go through that way. Ladies and gentlemen, permit me at this junction to officially present our travel cover, Value Plus travel insurance policy, to the Nigeria traveling public. This is the product presented to the public.
Also speaking at the launch, Mr. Zaid Schumann, General Manager GlobeMed, who are partnering Standard Alliance Life on this product, said that GlobeMed will provide overseas claim of the product without stress.
I'd like to also mention that GlobeMed will be supporting the overseas claims for this product through a vast network of providers around the globe, through our call center that's available 24/7. From anywhere in the world, they can call. I would also like to say that we would like to be, GlobeMed would like to be the first corporate client for this policy.
With a guaranteed cover with Value Plus travel, you can explore the world. So, when next you want to travel, think Value Plus and go the way of Value Plus travel. To facilitate purchases and payments for this policy or to learn more about it, you can go to www.standardalliancetravel.com.
The truth is, a simple thing, are you insured? Because with the economy of this country, as a man, a woman, a child, a boy or girl, I am not insured. How can you be sure? With this economy, my brother, insure yourself. Because you never can tell. Even the Bible says it. I'm not quoting, but the Bible says it. That's it. And who else has this message for you? My name is Buchi, Nigeria's finest comedian, and I endorse this message. 100% and one. Yo, peace out.
Alright, that's the time on this edition of the program. I do hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. Like I always say here, for comments, questions, observations, do feel free to get in touch with us on 017763981 or 08033357879, or better still, send us an email, almond4xx@yahoo.com or almondproduction@gmail.com. You can also visit us on our website, www.almondreports.com. Many thanks to Standard Alliance Life Assurance Limited, our partner on this program. Do not forget also to join us every Wednesday by 9:45 a.m. on Nigeria FM 102.7 for our Pidgin English program called Waiting Insurance They Do Save. You can also watch past episodes of this program from our website, www.almondreports.com. My name is Faith Uwade. Until same time, same station next week, where we'll come your way with a fresh package of this program. Thank you so much for being a part of the program this week. Bye-bye.